How have you been finding the event?
Big Data LDN's been pretty great. Lots of new people to speak to and very interesting challenges people are facing.
Yeah, that was kind of my next question, just sort of obviously hearing a lot of what some of the end users, some of the customers are saying. What challenges are people struggling with quite a lot right now?
It seems a lot of people are struggling with the governance around their infrastructure that they built, as well as people trying to create data platforms that they're not able to onboard less advanced users or business users to.
That makes a lot of sense. And obviously looking forward to 2024 and beyond, are there any trends that you feel like are really shaking up the industry and changing the way that we think about and approach data?
I think AI is one of them. So how can we bring AI into our data pipelines, as well as consolidation of tools? It seems that it's quite a saturated market nowadays, and people are quite tired of trying to get 8 different tools to create a data platform and looking to consolidate them either into one or into a couple.